Hey guys, it's the Splashy Studio Creator, aka MWB, and this video will show you how to use the Splashy theme on your browser. Get your things up because we're going right now. Let's open up Google Chrome and get started. Go to ThemeBeta.com. Oh, I'm logged out. Sorry guys, I'm gonna censor this. Alright guys, so if you can't see the link, I got it down in the description. So if you never used ThemeBeta, then just click apply. And please just ignore the dumb warning. And when you're done, then let's head to Chrome. 3 dots, more tools, extensions, have developer mode turned on, go to your downloads, just ignore my files. Drag your download over to the Chrome window, just say yes. Done! Alright guys, so that's it. Bye!